With its unique blend of luxurious grand touring and rugged SUV functionality, the Aston Martin DBX has long been a remarkable vehicle. Not only did Aston Martin refine their flagship SUV for 2026, but it also released an unrivaled masterpiece that broke all stereotypes. The all-new Aston Martin DBX 2026 is the company's most luxurious and performance-oriented offering to yet. With its unrelenting combination of blistering speed, cutting-edge dynamics, and classic British design. An engineering marvel that questions what constitutes a high-performance vehicle, it is more than just an SUV. The Aston Martin DBX 2026 design makes no bones about its intention to be a high-performance vehicle. This new model keeps all the proportions that make it beautiful, but it adds aggression that is purpose-driven and aerodynamic, art to make every aesthetic cue stronger. An exquisite front fascia conceals the hidden power beneath its distinctive bottom splitter and expansive body cooling intake. The most eye-catching feature is the reworked rear end, which features a vertical stack of quad exhausts framed by a new diffuser, a style that is equal parts menacing and exciting. For individuals seeking the pinnacle of exclusivity, Aston Martin offers optional weight-saving measures like their largest and lightest carbon fiber roof and their lightest 23-inch magnesium wheels ever. These upgrades not only improve performance, but also help create an understated presence, the center of gravity. The DBX 2026 is basically a performance behemoth. With its mighty 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, it proudly holds the distinction of most powerful SUV in the world that uses exclusively internal combustion engines. This engine is no ordinary beast. It has been fortified with cutting-edge turbocharger technology that will be featured in the forthcoming Valhalla supercar. The end result is a staggering 3.1 seconds from 0-60 mph and an astonishing 707 horsepower and 63 lb-ft of torque. A new 9-speed automatic transmission surgically delivers power, while a completely re-engineered chassis with adaptable 3-chamber air suspension with variable travel altitudes guarantees the ideal combination of comfort for long-distance rides and quickness for track days. It's not merely a quick car on a straight road. It handles corners with the poise and assurance of a real sports car. All ADAS features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, are standard on the DBX 2026. However, the technology extends beyond safety measures. A new active valve control, exhaust system, and dual acoustic engine start for a quiet or sport start are just two of the features that give the driver more agency over the vehicle's personality. As it evolves, DBX will keep its technology current using over-the-air OTA updates.